Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to join DonutSMP. It's the same methodology to join this server, no matter if you're on Bedrock or if you're on Java Edition. There's some sort of mod that a lot of servers are using that makes them compatible with both editions of Minecraft. And really all you have to do is go to play, and then you want to go to different worlds and or different servers, I should say, and add a server. And here you want to type in DonutSMP.net. You can leave the port alone, and you can just call this the DonutSMP server. And then you can add and play. And then I will proceed. It's just warning me that there's some custom content going on this server, but not anything that really should concern you. And then once you join, the only thing I didn't like about this server when I was playing around on it before was that there is a ridiculous amount of chat going on. So you can just go to settings, and then you can turn the chat off by clicking on this sign right here, because you can't really have a real conversation with the bajillion people that are on here. And then if you want to leave the starter area like I've done, all you have to do is open up the RTP command after you've got all your equipment on board. Just kill this zombie real quick before it murders me. You can just type in /RTP, and then it'll ask you if you want to go to the overworld, the nether, or the end. I'm just going to go to the overworld, and there's a few different options. They're based on your location, so I would select one that's got a good distance to you for a server, because it's kind of based on where you currently live and are located. So pick one that's close to you, and then it'll have a 5-second cooldown before it allows you to teleport. So I'm just going to go to NA West because I live in America. It'll count down for 3 seconds before it teleports me, and then boom, I'm in a new location. So that's it. That's how you join the DonutSMP. You can play with your friends, you can meet new friends, all that good stuff. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.